have spent numerous hours researching hundreds of user reviews to bring you this best rated product in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
Landscapers and contractors demand a cordless alternative to gas and corded outdoor power equipment. Makita meets this demand with an expanding line of cordless outdoor power equipment. They're powered by two 18-volt LXT batteries for 36-volt power and runtime, but without leaving the 18-volt battery platform. These tools deliver longer runtime, more power and speed, and longer tool life. The Makita brushless motor is engineered for maximum efficiency. It delivers up to 50% longer runtime per charge, and there are no brushes to replace. Both tools are equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over-discharge, and overheating. They're part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. Two new tools engineered to work all day with zero emissions, lower noise, less maintenance, and zero hassle with gasoline or cords.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.